Hi guys.
Good afternoon.
Yes, little one today.
Yeah.
Just a little review of the product from Iceland, is it?
Iceland?
Iceland, yeah.
It is chicken thigh bites with stuffing and gravy. Now, that sounds really intriguing, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
So we thought we'd give that a try.
Yeah. You can do it with
I
some
think
chips or something or
Was
whatever you
it
want.
two
Yeah.
for the price of one, or was it two for not for the price of one?
Okay, we'll have a
There's
look and
two
check.
things,
I'm not too sure.
I'll tell you.
So, found out, haven't we?
Yeah, two for £3. So
Yeah,
that's
so
why there's
two
two
boxes for
boxes. Just
£3,
couldn't
yeah.
remember why we had two boxes.
So obviously we're going to use the two boxes up for all three of us.
Yeah.
We're
going to add some chips
with it. Yeah.
But we're not reviewing the chips because
No,
we've
we're just
seen the
reviewing
chips
these.
before. So we're just going to show you.
Decent size, don't you?
Yeah, they look not
So
bad.
you would need the two boxes.
So obviously
for
you
those,
would, yeah, because there's only six. Looks like six in that one anyway, doesn't it? And obviously
comes with
that's
gravy.
your little pouch of gravy.
Is there stuffing in there? It says.
I think that must be inside that. Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe
it must
it's
be
in the
inside,
breadcrumb.
yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
That's going to taste nice then, isn't it? Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
So.
You enough of that? So I had to just stop Tracy there because I want to take some pictures of us. So let's put on the thumbnail, guys. We're going to do it in the air fryer, aren't we?
We are.
It's just say obviously oven. But we're going to do it in the air fryer, see what they're like from there. But imagine they're going to be nice in the air fryer.
Yeah.
Everything else is that we've done.
Where's the thing? So it says 18 minutes.
Yeah.
So
That's on a 200.
That's on a 200
fan assisted.
oven. So what do you reckon?
I think it's going to be like the chips myself, don't
So
you?
yeah, what's that, like half?
Something like 6-7 minutes, something like that.
Do you think it's as quick as that?
Well, we can go about 4 or 5 minutes
Yeah,
and check on them,
check
can't
on
we?
them. Yeah, that's what we'll
So
do.
that's
then.
what we'll do. So let's get on with that.
I'm going to see if I can fit them all in there.
Yeah, you
know,
probably will, won't
won't I?
you? Yeah. That's only the small 1.5 litre air fryer we've got, but
Oh, there's only 5 in that one, look. Oh, and a little nugget.
5 and a nugget. So I think you probably need the two
That's
boxes,
probably
£2 to
why.
£3, really,
Yeah.
innit? If you're gonna at least gonna have 2 to 3 people eating them.
Yeah.
Although they're a nice size, aren't
They're
they?
not a bad size, are they? They might be more like a party kind of thing, might be, you know, like a picky tea kind of
well, you
thing.
can obviously you have to
Because
do
have
that.
other things with it.
Will they all fit in? Looks like, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah, we can just move them
Make
around
sure that you shuffle them
halfway
around, yeah.
anyway, can't we? So it's not bad. Not too bad.
Okay.
Okay. So if it's saying 200 on that, do
Yeah.
you reckon leave it on 200?
Yeah, leave it on 200, yeah.
That's the temperature. So that's the time.
So you're down to about 5, we'll look at them. Yeah.
I think it'll need more than 5.
Well, you can just stick it back on again for
I'm
a few
gonna do
minutes, can't
6.
you? Okay.
Okay, so it's got to reach 200 degree temperature,
Yeah.
and then when
And
it
then it
does,
starts.
it'll beep, and then it'll start cooking.
Gravy.
To do the gravy, it just says place them in a bowl or jug, as we're using,
Yeah.
of hot water,
Awesome.
and then once it's all melted, you can probably turn them over,
Yeah,
can't you?
we'll put a little bit more
just-
water in that though,
yeah.
but just to show
Just
you.
to show you. Then you decant into a little bowl, like they're shown on the serving suggestions there, for dipping.
Yes. Very nice.
Hopefully that's
So
nice.
when that's all done, guys, we'll
We'll show you.
show you, set it up, show you.
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay, guys, so
total 9 minutes, yeah.
yeah,
So what
because
was
we
it?
do a bit longer than what we
18.
expected. So it was like
Yeah, we
half
just
what it states
swapped
for the
them
oven,
around, but
as
look.
it states there, 18 minutes. So
Yeah, so it's half.
yeah, they look all
They look
crazy,
nice,
don't
look, you can see them sizzling. They smell
Yeah.
nice too, don't they?
they? Do, yeah. So we're going to just kind of get the gravy out,
Yeah.
and then we'll, which is still in there. So we'll get that out, put it in ramekins, and we'll
And we'll have a dip.
have a dip and see what they're like. So we put the gravy out, guys, and we're just doing some chips for George. We're feeling like eating much, are we?
No.
We'll have something later. This is a bit early for us.
Just doing this quick for Joe.
Yeah.
Please, heading out.
You had a little taste of that, didn't you? She wasn't too keen on it off the spoon.
Taste off the spoon.
But I think we reserved judgment until we.
I shouldn't have done that off camera, so you could have seen my face wasn't great, was it?
No.
I can imagine.
Doing it again?
Shall I do it again? I'll just taste it with my finger.
Oh, very hygienic.
I'll tell you, it's disgusting. It really is disgusting.
Well, I'll give you my verdict in a minute. So we're going to try them with the gravy. They look alright, like
They do look nice.
It's alright for the shade, isn't it?
Yeah.
Some chips for 3
I'm
of us.
going to go for this little one there.
Okay.
And you can smell the stuffing.
Yeah.
Obviously like sage and onion kind of stuffing.
You're trying that first?
I am. It might be too hot.
Well, it's only one way to find out.
Burn.
Put your hand underneath it as well, in case it falls. Well,
Yeah,
either the plate or your hands.
I know. It falls if it's hot and it falls into your hands. I'll drop it anyway, won't I?
Well, then get over the plate.
Yeah.
This girl doesn't do sense.
I've been told.
See, I knew that. I told you that, guys.
I do.
Well, I don't. I do. What do you do?
I do. But if someone's...
I do, don't.
I can't even explain it.
How's that? Doesn't look like on your face.
It actually has got a nice flavour. I don't think I'd have it again. But it's got a nice flavour.
Yeah, that sells
I'll
it.
try. I've got to try with that.
Go on, try with the gravy. Let's see.
It's going to make it worse. That.
Oh, have a go. Oh, dip it.
That's dipped. Look, it's got gravy on that.
Look at it. She's tilted the top of it.
Oh, that gravy's awful. Sorry everyone, but it is. It's not good, that. Do you know what I have got though?
What?
I've got a nice pot of Baldy's pie gravy.
From Friday's review. Well, if you haven't seen that, guys, go and watch it. And you can't use that because you're not reviewing that.
No.
Okay? You can't use it without me anyway.
They are tasty. They are nice, but I don't think I'd want them again.
Okay.
Probably George and Colin will love them.
Let me have a go.
But
Let me see.
I'm not a fan. Do you want that bit?
If you like.
No one then, Colin.
I think it's my turn. Let's see if I can pick a little small one. I picked that one that was next to what you did.
Okay.
That's small enough. What a nice crispy coating.
I think that's down to the air fryer myself.
Yeah.
Don't you?
I think if it's on in the oven, it might be a bit sloppy.
Yeah, they might go a bit soggy.
Not a bad taste.
That's what I said. It's not a bad flavour, and the meat.
You can taste the stuffing in there as well.
Yeah, you can.
But it's not like really visible. I think it's
I think it's mixed in with the breadcrumb kind of topping, isn't it? Coating.
If you have a look there. Well, it's steady.
Can you see any stuffing?
No, I'm just showing you the chicken.
Oh. The chicken isn't bad, is it?
Let's see what this
Have
gravy's
you?
like.
Hang on, before you do that, have you tasted the gravy on its own first?
No.
Taste the gravy. Taste the gravy on its own first. I had to. Go on. No, I didn't have to, but I wanted to. You should too. No. Oh, finger. Unhygienic. Pinky. Oh, what do you think? Oh, what do you think?
It's strange, isn't it? It is a strange taste. Let's see what it's like with this. Yeah, probably a proper drunk.
Oh God, that's terrible. You'll regret that, you know. You'll regret it.
In for a penny, in for a pound.
I told you you would regret it. It's too hot to do things like that. You don't know what it tastes like now because you've got no taste buds left. You've burnt them all. It doesn't help it, does it? They're probably better without the gravy.
There's better gravy out there. It's not great, the gravy. The bites are alright. Tasty enough.
Would you have them bites again without the gravy?
Whether I go and buy them again?
That's what I mean. I wouldn't.
So
therefore you
really,
wouldn't.
probably not. I'd probably only give them about a 7.
Oh, rating it on your own, are you?
No, I'm saying I'd only give them about a 7.
Okay.
So what's your verdict then, girl, seeing as I just rated them on my own?
You raced ahead without me. Well, I wouldn't get them again. And I suppose they're alright value for money, but the gravy's really naff, isn't it?
Just do your own gravy, guys.
Yeah.
That's if you get them.
I think I'd only give them a 4, to be honest. That's
that's really low, isn't it?
Yeah, they taste okay, but
I think they're okay. I think they're worthy of a 7.
Oh, I'll give them a 5 then. Stop trying to
I'm not.
sway my vote.
But
I would, yeah, I'm going to go with a 5 because the taste.
The chicken die.
The chicken die
bites.
The chicken chies.
Them themselves, I think they're okay.
Yeah, but
the coating's nice. It's really do them in the air fryer.
Yeah, 11 pieces of chicken for 13. That's
£3.
Expensive. That take no notice to
Not
me.
bad.
So yeah, it
Not
isn't
bad.
bad, I suppose.
No.
I'm not a fan.
But like I say, I'm rating them because we've got them.
Yeah, I know.
Obviously, I'm not rating them on the fact whether I'm going to get them or not.
No.
I'm not going to get them again.
No.
So they weren't great, but they weren't horrible. The gravy was horrible.
It was disgusting.
But
Wasn't it?
the chicken itself.
I think we've been spoilt with that Baldy's pie gravy, don't
that
you?
was delicious, man.
Sorry for going on.
Back there for some more. She says she wants to go Christmas to get some gravy.
I'm going to ask him to save me some pot stack gravy for Christmas. That'd be delicious, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So
Anyway,
guys, hope you enjoyed this review.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone.
We'll see you in the next one tomorrow, 11 o'clock. Don't forget to subscribe now if you haven't already subscribed. Hit that notification bell and let you know when we've got a new video out, which is always 11 o'clock.
Yeah. And I was going to say, and give us a thumbs up, but
definitely
Colin just
give us a thumbs up, guys. It helps us greatly.
Thank you everyone for watching.
Yeah.
We do appreciate you all.
We do.
Thank you. See you next time. Take care.
Thanks for
everyone.
watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye for now. And bye to the family. See ya.